Hello, student bears. I just wanted to wish you all the best of luck on your final exams that are just around the corner and share a few tips and tricks that you can use during the exam. For maths, one of the main tricks you should be able to take advantage of is, of course, your calculator, which has a million different tools and functions that you can use to help you check answers and find different ways of using it. And I've got videos on that too if you want to go and watch them. In modules like mechanics and statistics, I cannot emphasize how much help a diagram might be to you. For example, a force diagram in mechanics or a sketch of the normal distribution curve in a statistics question. So make sure to help yourself by making these little notes that will help you answer questions better. There are quite a lot of formulas in maths, so here are a few of the most important ones that you should know for your exam that are not in the formula book already. If there's a show that question in one of the earlier parts of a question, you can still answer the later parts of the question even if you don't know how to do that part, because you can just use the answer that's provided to you in the show that. This even works if there's a part of a question that you don't know how to find the value of. You can make up your own value and use that in the later questions. Sometimes some of the questions will still allow you to score method marks for that, so you can still do later parts that you know even if you don't know how to do the previous parts. Try not to leave anything blank, of course. If you just give it a go, and then maybe you'll even get a few marks for method from that. For example, if you don't know how to solve a question, but you know you have to differentiate in it, and you know how to do that, then you can just differentiate and maybe you'll get one method mark for that. And of course, remember to read the questions carefully and take time to understand what the examiner is asking of you. But most importantly of all, remember to relax and breathe. It's just an exam paper and it doesn't decide your entire life. Even though it might be very important, your health is still just as important and you should look after yourself. And just give it a go and do your best and you're going to do amazing. Best of luck, everyone.